Dear students, I'm going to present to you a theorem stating that if x1 and x2 are independent, then the expected value of the product of any functions of x1 and x2 is equal to the product of their expectations, provided that the expectations exist. So let me present it to you in a formal manner. According to the statement of the theorem, suppose that x1 and x2 are two independent random variables and that the expected value of ux1 exists and also the expected value of vx2 exists, where ux1 means a function of x1 and vx2 means a function of x2. If this is happening, then the expected value of ux1 multiplied by vx2 is equal to the expected value of ux1 multiplied by the expected value of vx2. All right, so now let us try to prove this theorem. The first thing in this regard, my dear students, is that the independence of the random variables x1 and x2 implies that the joint PDF small f of x1 comma x2 is equal to the product of the marginal PDFs f1 x1 and f2 x2. ये तो आप जानते ही हैं ना कि this is the basic equation, one of the basic equations for the independent random variables. So we will utilize this equation in order to prove the theorem that I have just now presented. By definition of expectation, we can write the expected value of ux1 into vx2 is equal to the double integral from minus infinity to infinity for both integrals of ux1 into vx2 into f of x1 x2, and of course the integration is being carried out with respect to x1 and x2. But in the next line, instead of f of x1 x2, we can write f1 x1 multiplied by f2 x2, as you can see now on the screen. अब इसके बाद नोट करें कि ये जो पैटर्न हमें मिल गया, उसके बाद we can take certain terms out of the integral sign which is inside. यानी बाहर वाला इंटीग्रल जो पहला इंटीग्रल है उसको तो वहीं रहने दें और नोट करें कि एंड में क्या लिखा हुआ है. एंड में अगर आप हमने dx2 लिखा हुआ है तो इसका मतलब है कि वो जो बाहर है जो बाद में इंटीग्रेशन होनी है that is to be with respect to x2. तो जो सेकंड इंटीग्रल है और दूसरी तरफ से जो देखें एंड से तो वहां पे क्या लिखा हुआ है dx1. तो वो जो अंदर है वो जो इंटीग्रेशन पहले होनी है दैट इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x1. तो अब इस वाले अंदर वाले इंटीग्रल में से ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन टेक आउट दोज टर्म्स विच आर इन कंटेनिंग x2 बट नॉट x1. तो वो कौन सी टर्म्स हैं? ऑफ कोर्स they are vx2, which is some function of x2, and f2 x2, the marginal PDF of x2. क्योंकि जाहिर है कि जो x2 का PDF है उसके अंदर x1 तो नहीं है, उसका जो भी expression है it is an expression containing x2 only. So therefore ये दोनों बाहर आ गई as you can now see on the screen. उसके बाद कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें उस अंदर वाले इंटीग्रल पे. अब उस अंदर वाले इंटीग्रल को हम देखते हैं कि वो क्या लिखा हुआ है. माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी ux1 f1 x1 dx1. अब ये पूरी की पूरी चीज जो है, this entire thing, this can come out of that integral which is written in the very beginning. वो जो हमारा पहला इंटीग्रल है जो कि x2 के हिसाब से इंटीग्रेट जो हमने करना है, ये पूरी चीज जो x1 वाली चीज है, इसको आप उसमें से बाहर निकाल दें तो फिर आपके पास क्या आ गया? As you can see on the screen now, this is what you get. The integral from minus infinity to infinity ux1 f1 x1 dx1. This whole thing multiplied by the integral from minus infinity to infinity vx2 f2 x2 dx2. अब ये जो पहली चीज है, my dear students, that is the expected value of ux1, और ये जो दूसरी चीज है, that is the expected value of vx2 by the basic definition of expectation. Hence, we have been able to prove that if x1 and x2 are independent, then the expected value of the product of their any functions of them is equal to the product of the expected values of those functions. इसके बाद एक बात और भी नोट कर लें. Suppose that ux1 is equal to x1. यानी वो कोई भी फंक्शन हो सकता है ना. It can be x1 square or 2x1 or log of x1 or e raised to x1. But it can be the simple function that ux1 is equal to x1 and similarly vx2 is equal to x2. अगर ये रखें तो ये जो इक्वेशन हमने अभी अभी प्रूफ की है, what does it reduce to? My dear students, we get the expected value of x1 multiplied by x2 is equal to the expected value of x1 multiplied by the expected value of x2. लेकिन इसको हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि ये जो सिंपल और नीट इक्वेशन है, this would hold only if x1 and x2 are independent.